Alright guys, we got one here today, the 2021 GMC Savana van. And it's got knock sensor codes, a P0330 and a P0331. And they just put the engine in this thing. It is a 6.6 liter gas. They just put the engine in this in October of 2025. It is now January of 2026. And I don't know if you can see it down in there, but it's got a brand new engine in it. So I got it, and those codes are knock sensor codes. Alright guys, we got one here. It's got code P0330 and P0331. Alright, let's try this side a little better. They just put this motor in here. It's got less than 1,000 miles on it. They hacked up the knock sensors with those things right there on both sides, and they actually got the wires crossed on them. So I already fixed it, so I gotta fix this side yet. But yes, the knock sensors are on the sides of the block right here on both sides, and the dealer actually cut those wires and put those splice clamps on there. So alright guys, thanks for watching the videos. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. Y'all know what to do. See ya.